guys, and welcome to the new Sassy Bead Shop YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to give you a little insight on some new Sassy Bead Shop products, as well as some Sassy Bead Shop tutorials. For example, we have our new pin kits. You have seen them online. There is way more than just this. But to get into it, I'm going to show you guys basically tutorials on how to put these together and how these work and what the purpose is behind these pin kits. There will be more tutorials to come, but we're going to start it off with my new favorite product, the pin kits. We do sell these pin kits and other pin kits. These ones are new and they are more exclusive because they do feature focal beads. We have two others that feature some exclusive pin styles like this one you see here. Now the reason why we're doing these videos is because we have learned and heard of a few tips and tricks to, you know, secure your pins better, and things like that, and how to put them together if they just don't want to go together. So opening up this kit, you do get the bag it comes in. This was on the pin. It stuck, so it came off. In every kit you get a completed set of stuff to make a full pin, plus they come with these super cute pin bags. I will show you how you use them at the end. So just to start, you have the basic plastic pin. They have the ink that just rolls out. We do sell ink separately as well, and we've just added new colors, blue and red. So every pin comes like this. It's 3 pieces. A trick I have learned is, nail glue. I love nail glue for crafting and jewelry making jewelry making things, because it is a very flexible glue. Now I know other people use E6000. This is just my personal favorite. I find it holds really good. Knots don't slip if you use it for things like wristlets or necklaces, and it gives you a little bit of play when you're doing the pen. So to start, I would put some nail glue on the screw part, but I'm not going to do that for this kit. But put some nail glue on, then you will screw it on. And you'll see, and maybe in other pens, why I like the nail glue for play, because it does take a minute to set up. So it's going to be perfectly set for when you sell it to your customer. However, when you're just making the pen and you don't have it just right, you can unscrew and screw it on. So yeah, these pens are totally up to you on how you design them and what you want on them. This is just how I would personally do it. So this one comes with a cute green marble. We've got a gold rhinestone spacer. We love to add the spacers to almost every pin. And then of course you have that shamrock focal bead. Again, I would go in with the nail glue or any kind of glue just to secure the screw. Me personally, if I buy a pin, I'm not going to want it to fall apart. So this glue secures the screw and makes it so if somebody gets it, twists this a little bit, it doesn't pop off, because some pins have a lot of beads, which you'll see in another kit, to where you want it to be held down. So another little trick we do with the pens, especially with the silicone beads, is to make sure you get the most of the screw after adding that glue. You simply pull down on the silicone bead and you twist it all the way on, and then you release, and you have that tight, perfect fit to your pen. Now back to the bag. Let's see, just got this cute pen completed. We're gonna sell it, put it in the cute little resealable bag it comes with, and it's easy as that. You have a finished pin you can sell, as well as the packaging you can sell it in. These kits range anywhere from $5.25 to $6.50, and they do come with everything you need to make a completed pin. Another type of style pin we have in our kits are some that do not have focal beads. Again, it has that bag in every single kit. Some don't have focal beads. They just have more other beads or exclusive pin designs like so. Super cute. Love this one. This one is going to be more tricky. This is one I would definitely want to use glue on to make sure it doesn't pop off. It does have a lot more beads. However, the more beads, the funner the pin. I mean, you can't forget the bling. This gold bead is just to die for. So a little thing I do is I kind of put the biggest ones down at the bottom, and I always make sure I have a silicone at the top so you can pull down and get it at its tightest. So let's see how we get this on and fit all these beads. This is our Be Fierce pin kit. We do give rhinestones in a lot of the pin kits. Some people don't like rhinestones. Use it on a different pin. If you don't want it for this pin, if you don't think it's going to fit well, you don't have to have it. But like I said, see, you can't see the screw at all. So we're definitely going to need to be pulling down on those silicone beads. And this is why, like I said, I'd use the glue, is to make sure once you have it on, it doesn't just pop off like that. So these ones might take a little bit more on your end, like taking it apart, adjusting the bottom. Once you have the beads on though, and you get them, if I can find the hole in this one, and you get them in place, once you screw the top, the bottom sometimes also screws with the top, hence why it pops off sometimes. So yeah, you just unscrew the bottom a little bit more to reveal some of the top, and then just make sure you are constantly pushing down on that silicone bead. Oh my gosh, because I'm making a video, I'm not going to be able to do this. I made tons of these pins because this is my favorite style, and they all worked just perfectly. So here we go. As I'm screwing this top, I'm also pushing pressure in on the pin to squeeze on these silicone beads to make it fit. And like I said, if you add glue, you're not even gonna have to worry about this coming off. But this is one of my favorite pins. It's the Be Fierce. And it does, as you can see, require you to squish down a little bit on the silicone. But I can't imagine this pin without all these beads. It is one of my favorites. So if you like being extra, like being fierce, I definitely recommend the Be Fierce pin kit. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out, but at least we'll show you guys some of the pin kits we have up close. Everybody is different. Everybody is unique. You guys might not like the way I set up my pins. And that's the beauty of the pin kit, and it's totally up to you. This is the fuchsia metallic, or pink metallic. I can't remember exactly what we call it. But again, these are super easy to make. These are selling like crazy on shops on Etsy. If you are just looking to start a business, this is definitely a fun little and easy like startup, like is these beadable pins. Or, you know, the best thing about these, they come in the single pin packs. Craft night, girls night, like super easy. You just buy one for everybody, and then you guys get cute pins for the office, for work, you name it. Sometimes the hardest part is figuring out how you want to do it. So this one here, I'm going to change it up a little bit. This is the breast cancer awareness pin, and it comes with an exclusive pink, it's like focusing, sorry, pink rhinestone bead, because everything is definitely got to be pink with this pin. Again, as you can see, this is a common problem people have, and it's solved super quick. You pull down on the bead, expose a lot of that thread, make sure you're using a glue or something to secure it, because like I said, if someone's going to get your pin, they're going to want it to stay in place, and that is going to be the best way to guarantee your product is with the glue. Doesn't have to be the nail glue I use or nail glue. E6000 I hear works great as well. That though is one of my number one tips I would definitely recommend, is using some sort of glue to keep it together. So yeah, so this is basically all you get in the kits. This is another one of our newer pins. We have our Highland cow. He is just so cute. So this one's just going to come with this many. I love to put the rhinestones next to the other beads, as you can see with my patterns. But it's your pin. It's your pin you're going to sell. Put your creativity into it. This tutorial is just kind of for you to see inside of the pin kit, as well as answer any questions you guys may have regarding pins. So this one going to be great. It's going to twist on just perfectly. They all do twist on great. Like I said, when you twist the top on these pins, once you get to a certain point, that bottom is also going to start to twist and make your pin super secure. So we have these super cute pin kits. They are the new ones. They all come with what you've seen here to make a full pin, as well as the packaging. So awesome, because you get all your supplies to make and sell one pin. We love these pin kits because you don't have to be super big and buy each individual bead and make everything. We give you all the tools and everything to make one pin. You make one, you can have 3, 4 different styles. It gives you the option to have more products for less. Hopefully that makes sense. Again, these videos are just going to be short, simple tutorials or pop-ins of featured new products. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial. Hopefully it helps somebody out. And thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me with my first YouTube tutorial. I will see you guys again next time with a wristlet tutorial. Thank you. See you later.